Hello, hi, and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today I'm here to talk to you guys about face masks. Well, I have noticed that face masks does wonders to your skin if you apply the right mask, right place, at right point of time. So yes, today I'll talk to you about everything that I know, I personally feel, and all of those things related to face mask. So yes, if you want to know, stay tuned. And yes, if you're new here, then I'm Pamela, and I post videos every week, and I try to post 2 to 3 times a week, and I post videos related to makeup, lifestyle, reviews of products, tutorials, and everything that I do basically. So yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can stalk me on Instagram, which is Pamela_makeup mistress, and I post interesting content there too. Yes, without doing any further delay, let's begin. So the first question is why we use face masks. So we use face masks for different kind of reasons. So facial masks help us to unclog our pores. It deep cleanses our skin. It helps in a very giving us a very glowing and tightened skin. It feels really great. It feels squeaky clean from inside. It helps in the further skincare that we do after applying a mask. It gives us a very quick and potent result. After a very tiring day, once you apply your face mask, you can feel a very instant refreshment, instant glow to your skin. And if you have any targeted problems, then definitely you can choose the right face mask for yourself, and you can get instant good result. So peel off mask is a very ancient kind of a mask, and I have seen my mother using peel off masks. So yeah, it's a very old kind of a concept. So what it does is it removes the upper layer of your skin. It removes all the dirt and the pollution that is there, the dry dead cells from your skin. It just peels it off. That is the reason it is called peel off mask. It helps in detoxing the skin as well, and giving us that blood flow on our facial skin, because once you peel and you pull that, so it helps in the blood circulation as well. They help in if you have pigmentation, they help in that as well. And if you have a lot of sebum production in your facial skin, it also helps in that too if you are using peel off masks. The next kind of mask that I'll be talking to you about is gel mask, which is great for dry to combination kind of skin. So what it does is it soothes our skin, because dry skins are many times very irritated. So it helps in soothing our skin. Because it is gel based, it tightens the pores, and it gives a very cooling effect as well to your skin, and it helps in instant refreshment as well. As it is in a gel base, it absorbs really fast, and it helps in reducing your wrinkles and fine lines, and it tightens the pores, and gives you a very fresh look. So if you're going for a gel-based face mask, try to use something which has collagen in it, because collagen is the main ingredient that helps our skin to restore the way it is. It prevents from sagging and production of all those appearance of all those wrinkles and everything. And if you have collagen and antioxidant in your face mask, you will have that glowing and firmer looking skin forever. So another kind of a face mask is exfoliating face masks, which has granules inside. So it is suitable for almost all skin types. It is the only thing is that you should not be using it every day, and it should be used only once or twice a week. So as it has exfoliating factors, so it definitely helps in the cell renewal, in removing all the dead cells from the outer layer. If you're going for exfoliating masks, then always go for natural minerals and volcanic rock, and you always should be looking for masks which has AHA fruit enzymes in it. The next kind of mask is the cream mask. It actually doesn't look like a mask, it looks like a cream, but then it is also a mask. It's good for normal to dry skin. These are really very delicate, very gentle on your skin, and it is good for sensitive skin as well. It is good for removing your dead cells and cleaning your pores as well, and it provides a deep layer of hydration to your skin, which is really very important, I think. So if you're going for a cream facial mask, then go for something which has hyaluronic acid in it, which has natural oil, hyaluronic acid, and algae extracts in it. Next is the clay mask, which is really very famous because clay masks are one of the most used masks, I think. So what it does, it helps in cleaning, again, a squeaky clean face you'll get after using a clay mask. It removes all the dirt and all the pollution from your skin. It removes the oil, the sebum that is there in your skin. If you have a very shiny kind of skin, it mattifies your skin, and it is very good if you use it before your makeup, and if you have those kind of oily and shiny kind of a face, so you can definitely use it before your makeup so that you get a very fresh and clean and oil-free canvas, and it helps your makeup to stay put for long. If you're going for clay mask, then always go for kaolin clay mask. It's amazing, guys. And wait for the clay mask to dry totally, and yes, then you can wash it off. So there are another kind of a mask which is DIY, do it yourself mask, like where you can use any ingredient from your home. You can use yogurt, honey, besan, which is a gram flour, maida, atta. You can use any kind of ingredient. You can mix and match such ingredient. You can actually work very well with those DIY masks, because you can add and subtract a lot of products, and you can make it according to your preference. It is tailor-made, it is affordable, it actually emphasizes a lot more on the pigmented, on the it actually gives a very good result, because you can use all those products, that the problems that you have on your targeted areas, and you're using everything organic, you're using everything, what you are using on your face, and if it is suiting you, if you are liking it, and everything of that sort. So it is a great idea to use DIYs, and for your facial mask you can use it 2 to 3 to 4 times even a week, because those are totally natural. You can use it any point of time you want to. You can use honey, oat milk, coconut oil, lemon, and so many other ingredients, orange peel powder, kaolin clay, and anything you can mix and match and just use it onto your face. Another kind of like the most, I think, raving, the most popular right now is the sheet mask. So they are very, very, very hydrating. They reduce your puffiness. They give your face instant boost of moisture, and it softens your skin instantly. It gives a very good glow to your skin, like the instant glow that you are looking for if you're going for a party, if you're a bride, and anything of that sort. Even for your regular skincare, if you are traveling and if you can't do a lot of skincare, then a sheet mask does everything for you guys. Search for hyaluronic acid or caffeine sheet masks. They work wonders for your skin. Again, you can definitely DIY your sheet masks as well, and I'll definitely try to show you someday DIY sheet mask thing. So yeah, till then, stay tuned. So the last segment of the mask, the program, is the eye and lip mask. They are also really very important, because our eye area is very, very, very crucial. It helps restore the youthfulness of our skin, because once your eye gets dull and saggy and everything, so whatever you do, you won't be able to get that youthfulness back to your skin. So they are very important. So use a eye mask always, before you put anything on your face, a makeup or skincare or a face mask or anything. Do apply eye masks. They plump up your eyes, they reduce the appearance of wrinkles, puffiness, dark circles, sleepless nights and everything. So please do use eye mask. And again, choose mask that has collagen in it. Same with the lip masks as well. We have like such bad weather conditions sometimes. We sleep under the AC, we wear mattifying lipsticks, and sometimes some people smoke, and so much of thing goes on. So it is really mandatory to use lip mask. Always mandatory to use a lip mask. Lip sleeping masks are really great, and it plumps up your lip, it moisturizes, it hydrates it, and you're sorted for the entire day. Last thing that I would love to tell you that multi-masking is a very great thing, because everyone is not having same problem everywhere on your face. Like if I say that I have pigmentation issues right here, and just here, so why should I put a anti-pigmentation mask all over my face? Because here I have pores which is very oily kind of, and these patches are really dry. So I think multi-masking is a great thing. You can DIY, you can buy any 2-3 kind of mask and you just apply. It is a great thing to multi-mask. Some few important thing that are always use a eye mask or some eye cream or eye gel when you are applying any facial mask, because that area should not be ignored. So you should be always applying, because once you are applying clay mask it dries up and it pulls the skin, or even the peel off mask or anything. So it pulls the skin down, and we don't want our eyes to sag, because that's the main area of looking youthful for longer. So after you're applying any mask, leave it for some time, and then just wet your face first, and then lightly massage the face mask, and then clean it, and then wash it. So this is the procedure. You should not be initially just rubbing your skin off, and no, not that. Just use some water, just wet your face, and just keep on massaging it so that the particles get loosened, and then you can wipe it with a wet towel or wet cloth, and then just rinse your face well. And after using a mask, never forget to apply a toner, and then serum, and then your moisturizer or night cream or whatever. I always prefer using face masks at night, and because I think that is the time when I use a lot of skincare, and if my skin is really squeaky clean, so it helps in absorption of all those products that I'm using at night, and even if I'm going for a very important event, so yeah, that time I use before my makeup. So I think that was pretty much about face masks, and I think it was beneficial. And if you have any question regarding face masks and anything of that sort, please let me know in the comments. I'll be really happy to answer all of you. And yes, with that, I'll take your leave, and I hope you're following me on Instagram and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And yes, with that, I'll take your leave. That's it, and I'll see you guys really soon with some new content. Till then, stay gorgeous.